Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add cinematic 3D text to your real estate photos and videos using VideoTour.ai. You don't need any design or video editing experience to follow along. By the end of this video, you'll understand two different ways to use 3D text. Whether you want to enhance a single photo or create a fully edited short-form social media video. We'll go step by step using a real example so you can easily recreate the same process for your own listings. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you've already uploaded your property photos and generated your main video tour. Once inside the editor, you can enhance individual scenes with 3D text to highlight key selling points and make your listing stand out instantly. Let's begin with the first method. Adding 3D text photo by photo. Hover over the photo you want to edit and click Add 3D Text. This opens the 3D text panel where you can start customizing your scene. Now type your message. You can add phrases like for sale, open house, price drop, ocean view, or just listed. Anything that communicates value and captures attention. If you're not sure what to write, click Find more ideas. The AI will generate suggestions based on your photo, helping you quickly create engaging text without brainstorming. Next, choose where your 3D text should appear. You can let the AI automatically position your text in the most realistic location within the image, or manually describe the placement. For example, you can place the text on the roof, above the pool, near the front door, or floating in the sky. After selecting placement, choose your style. VideoTour.ai offers multiple finishes such as aluminum, gold, neon, and metallic. These styles help match your branding or reflect the luxury level of the property. Now comes an important step. Selecting your output type. If you only want the edited photo with 3D text applied, choose Generate Image. This creates a static 3D result and costs 3 credits. If you want a more cinematic reveal, select Video Animation. This option adds motion effects to your text and supports formats like Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and landscape video. You can also upgrade to HD quality or add sound effects for additional credits. The animated 3D video costs 50 credits and delivers a dynamic, eye-catching result. Now let's explore the second method, automatically adding 3D text across multiple scenes for social media. If you want to create a complete short-form video quickly, navigate to Social Media Edits from your main video tour. This section allows you to automatically generate short videos optimized for social platforms. When you create a short video, the platform selects 6 photos from your listing and turns them into a 30-second edit. Here's where it gets powerful. You can request 3D text to be added automatically across selected scenes using your chosen style and placement preferences. This means multiple photos are enhanced at once. The video is fully edited, optimized for short-form platforms, and ready to post immediately. Instead of editing each scene manually, you get a complete branded social media video in just a few minutes, saving time while maintaining a professional and premium look. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review the credit structure. A static 3D image costs 3 credits. An animated 3D video costs 50 credits. HD upgrades and sound effects require additional credits. And social media edits generate a full 30-second short video with automated enhancements. With these two methods, you can either create a single standout 3D edit for a specific photo, or produce a complete short-form video with multiple 3D text scenes automatically applied. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you can transform ordinary listing visuals into attention-grabbing, premium content that helps your properties stand out on social media, and attract more buyer interest? Try it yourself inside VideoTour.ai and start enhancing your listings with cinematic 3D text today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.